Good morning, everyone. Quite an exciting morning for me because I have an empty household. That means I get time to do some picking and hopefully get a couple of videos made. I've seriously been lacking in picking videos recently. I've had a few packages. I've been lucky enough to get some packages, some winnings and stuff like that, and the generosity from some of you is just absolutely amazing. You're all fantastic. I can't thank you enough. Some of the stuff that has come through this week, I'm absolutely astounded by. But yeah, I've got a bit of a backlog of challenge locks and stuff to be picked, so I'll hopefully get a couple of videos made today. Firstly, I've got the first ever challenge lock dimple that I've come across. It's only a little, pretty standard Yale dimple. It's not the superior or anything, I don't think. This is made by Thumper, just spooling around. It wasn't sent to me by him, it was sent to me by Lockpicker69. He's a great guy. Check out his channel. They're both great guys. I'll put the links to both their channels in the description. It's a mummified key, so we can't really see the bitting. I do believe Lockpicker69 picked it on his channel, so we're going to give it a go. I've not picked this yet. What picking time I have had hasn't been on dimples, so hopefully we'll get this open. Got tension wrench here, there we go, and my Honest Dong dimple picks. Alright, let's see if this is going to open up for us. That's an on one. Straight into a little false set off 2 there. I'm presuming from the name it's full of spools. I think John did gut it on his channel, but I can't actually remember. I watched that many videos recently. Can't even see what I'm doing here. It's using very light tension. I think that was 5 or 6. I think it's so hard to tell with dimples which one you're on. Concentrating hard now. Oh, there's a deeper false set. Lots of spools in this, but the name kind of gives that away, doesn't it? Hands are killing from work. 20 years of being in the building trade does take its toll. And dimple picking is probably the worst thing I can do for them. There we go, we're open. Oh, that's gone a bit far, hopefully that should just come out. There we go. Alright, let's have a little look inside. As I say, we have got a key, but it's mummified. I'll try and leave it mummified if possible. Alright, clipped in here. Bloody hate these clips. yeah, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's continued watching my videos, and I've still gained another couple of subscribers while I've not been posting videos. So thank you very much. Thank you to everybody who's sent anything. You're all absolutely brilliant. Okay. Shut up. I'll dump these and then show you afterwards. 2, 3. These all got some sort of serrations on so far. Trying to be careful so I don't have to unmummify the key. So core's all standard. Tweezers. Right, let's see what's in here. Very sharp little spool there. As I say, I will show you all these properly. Very small. I guess you'd call that a serrated spool. Very tiny. Now I do want to make my own first challenge lock dimple. I have I think it's a multi-lock classic, but I don't have a key for it. So if anybody's got a spare multi-lock classic key, please let me know. I do have a key machine, so a blank or one with fairly high cuts on it that I could modify would be absolutely amazing. I'd gladly send you the challenge lock as the first pick in return. Another, got a little serration on the top there and then into a spool. Springs look all the same. Let's go from the back. Another little spool there. I really must get a better camera. I'm still recording on my phone, by the way. It doesn't do the close-ups very well at all. And another little spool. Just spooling around from Thumper. Yeah, all the same springs. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. All the key pins have either got serrations or deep spooling on. Very nicely done, Thumper. That one's sort of beveled. Very well done. Thank you very much for watching. That's just spooling around by Thumper. See you all soon.